Hello, welcome back to IT Genius Cyber, and today we're actually going to go through ERD diagram, and this diagram is actually very nice under database creation or database structures, and it can actually help you to structure well your system that you're actually going to create for your software or your database system for your independent organization. Yeah, we have actually not viewed much videos on databases on this channel, but we are actually going to start more now. Yeah, I promised to do Firebase, but we haven't started yet. But this is a very, very good start that we can actually come about creating something that could take us much time, and we do it quite quick. Then you can actually come up with your database design quickly and maybe have the source code so quickly without actually getting into more details of writing too much code. So we shall actually be seeing that with time. So this is an ERD diagram, and I'm going to elaborate all to explain us the features that we're actually using here. So what you see as these rectangle shapes, these are called entities. Each and every organization or each and every company has its own independent entities or primary entities. Yeah. So within this system, this is a system for Victoria University Hospital or clinic, and you can also try to use it elsewhere. And I'll also explain what the oval shapes mean. So this oval shape, these are called attributes. Each and every entity has a specific attribute. So within this entity, you enter these respective attributes. So let's say we have, let me take a quick example. We have a user. This is a user entity. This is a user role entity. This is a system log entity. This is a Maria type entity. So let's say we have a user entity. So this user entity is having quite a number of attributes. Just like how you see this facility type has a number of facility type attributes as well. So when you look at these oval shapes on this, these are attributes. So this facility type has an attribute called date added, a description, facility type ID. So this facility type ID, we take it to be the primary key in this entity, and you'll see it has a difference of underlined. So we have also foreign keys, because this one is a primary key in this attribute. As you see, intervention has a primary key, intervention ID in this case, but it also has a foreign key coming from a different attribute, as you see location ID. Yeah. So what you see as dotted stuff is this is I will take it to be a foreign key from a different entity that we actually using in this entity, but it's coming, or it's actually derived from another entity. Okay, so I'll go ahead and also explain this. This is called this diamond shape is called a relationship shape. So it helps us link between one entity and another. Okay, as you see here for intervention, we're seeing a relationship of one to many. As you see, one to n, that is one to many. It says that we can have one intervention in quite many different geolocations of geolocations. Okay, or what you see here as located in, we can have epidemiological data. If there can be many, but allocated in one single location. I'll take another example here, down for facility type. We have facility type and healthy facility, and we are calling this relationship recognized as. So many healthy facilities can actually have one or can be recognized into one facility type. So many healthy facilities can be recognized into one facility type, and that's what it means. So when you go ahead and look at the rest of the relationships, which we have user connects to system log. This is one user can actually generate many system log, this N here. And we're seeing a user here. One user undergoes many training sessions. Okay. Then we see malaria type, and it's linked to malaria cases. So many malaria cases can be recognized into one malaria type. You can have quite many malaria cases, but if you sum up them, they can actually fall into one malaria type. So that's what it means. Then we see a relationship, let's say, for health facility and visitor records. So one healthy facility can receive a number of records, which is many records, as you see here. In then we have also healthy facility supplies, or many healthy facilities with this N can be supplied from one supply chain. And as well, a healthy facility has quite many resources, can have actually quite many resources, just like that. And healthy facility receives quite many visitor records. So one healthy facility, many people can actually visit it accordingly to the period or in a month time, I don't know. But one healthy facility can receive many visitor records, and that's how we do that's actually how we do the relationship between entities. And let's look at another one. This is patient data. One patient can actually receive quite many laboratory tests, and this is the one to many. And this is also patient data. This is patients and malaria cases. So many patients can actually report one single malaria case. And let's say you have a case that is defined as this. That specific case of malaria can be reported by many patients. Many patients can report a case malaria at that facility. And as well, when we come to malaria prescribed for, so one treatment, this is many malaria cases can be given a single treatment. So one single treatment is can be given to many malaria cases as well. Then we come to treatment and treatment outcomes. So if our patient receives our treatment, can actually have quite many treatment outcomes. After you receiving one single treatment, you can have many outcomes of that treatment as well. Then we shall see also for referral and patient data. It is this is if we say one to many, let's say we say one patient can actually be referred or gets referred by many referrals. Okay, that's what we called gets referred. Then we say visit. This is visit. We have not done that. This is one patient can actually make many visit records in that facility, whatever it is. Okay. Then also one patient receives quite many laboratory tests. Okay, so that is it. And I think I've tried to explain it, and that's how it's done. So thank you for watching, and we're actually going to come up with quite many other, we're going to actually come up with many, I'm having a less battery, we're going to have actually quite many tutorials to actually explain more on how to draw Erd diagrams using cross-foot notation, and using the other also methods as well. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.